welcome back to my channel, Aaron African Meat here. Today it's a special day here in South Africa. Special? I wouldn't call it special, but it is a unique day. Today we're going into a 21 days of full quarantine, lockdown due to the COVID-19, the coronavirus. That's also the day that I finished my project. I made the dinosaur in a bottle. I tried to allow it, I didn't stabilize it, so I allow it to have bubbles, but it came out with too many bubbles, but it looks okay. I put my new brass logo on, and I also put on the other side stamped in like the old days in wax. It took a long time, but I'm happy. I'm not happy with so many bubbles, but it looks actually quite funky. I don't know. I like it. It looks funky. It is funky. It is unique. The dinosaur from history in a bottle, captured in a bottle. I like it. Let me show you how I made it. Remember, safety first. Aspirator, shield. Let's go have some fun. Now in the 21 days of quarantine, lockdown, we can't leave the house. Nothing, not at all. So what we're going to do is a lot of work. I prepared myself with plenty of wood, and I'll do some more projects. So you will see out of me quite a lot. Cheers, thanks for coming. See you now doing that. At this stage I decided to give it more depth, so I decided to put resin on top of the whole project, so the wood would look like it's in the bottle. And I made four. I put the resin 4 times. I let it dry, and then I put it again for 4 times, and then it gave it the depthness that I wanted. Of course, afterward I flatted down to about 3000, and I cleared it with up to Novus 321 to bring back the shine. Um, to remove the stamp and to make a groove for my badge, I made it work a um, late stay rest. I did it at my office, at my work, and it's doing its job. It's my first time that I'm using a stamp wax. It's like the old, they used to do the old times. They used to put stamps and they used to cover bottles with that. It's my first try. It took me a little bit of time to get a hang on it, but by the end of the day, it came alright. Next time probably I'll do it much better.